Alright, so now we're going to prepare a quiche. It's a classic egg dish, and we've got a little bit of asparagus, some Gruyere cheese, some sour cream, some reduced fat milk. We've got our egg whites. Went ahead and softened up our onions with a little bit of fresh chopped parsley in there as well, and set that aside. We're pre-baking our pie crust. It goes in for about 12 minutes or so. We're going to pull it out, add in our egg mixture, and then throw it back in to bake until the eggs are cooked through. So we're going to add our egg whites to a bowl. I'm going to add in about half a cup of milk. Add in a couple big dollops of sour cream, and about 3/4 of a cup total. We're going to add in our Gruyere cheese that we already have shredded, I should say. We also have our asparagus, which has already been chopped. We're going to season this well. Salt, fresh cracked black pepper, and you can use a pinch of nutmeg in this if you'd like. Okay, we want to give this a nice toss. Alright, now we can add in our onions that have been partially cooked, got them nice and translucent, and our fresh parsley. Fold those in as well, that'll give it some nice sweetness. Alright, we've mixed it all up. Now it is ready to go in our pre-baked pie crust as soon as it comes out of the oven, and then we'll bake it off. It's ready to go. Alright, so we have our quiche mixture here ready to go. We've got our cheese, our sour cream, our milk, salt and pepper, our egg whites, and our chopped asparagus. Now we've pre-baked our pie crust. We're going to add our quiche mixture in. Make sure you scrape down the sides of your bowl good. You want to evenly spread it out. That's a perfect fit. Okay, now we're going to bake it for 35 to 40 minutes roughly until the eggs are cooked through, and you'll be able to test this by inserting a knife. When it comes out clean, you know it's done.